Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, Wagwan Tours. We're in Benidorm. We're going to go to Uncle Ped's and see if it is the cheapest place, the best place to get your pints. So let's see Wagwan. You guys all know the vibe. Hope everyone is doing well today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, everything in between. Hype. So yeah, Uncle Ped's, let's go. So this is apparently meant to be very, very cheap. So you can get a pint for €1. We're going to see if that is still the case. So for anyone who's on a little bit of a budget and they still want to get some sun, because who wouldn't? And let's see if this place can save you. It's really close to the main part, so we are in like the heart of Benidorm. Right, I need to make sure I'm going the right way because I can typically get lost. Right, let's keep talking so I can hear that music in the background. Right, so I just cut through like a little walkway, just in case anyone's wondering. Back on the main road. So we've got the wild duck. Eminem, Venga Boys, UB40, Amy Winehouse. They've got all your tribute acts. So if you do like your music and stuff. John and Joseph's, more of a food place. There we go. Your breakfast choices, quite big in there. Another little pizza place. Got my tiki up here. I did do another video when we went past this, but I'm trying to find the cheap place, and in true Sabrina fashion, went the other way, because why not? But then you find different places and you explore. So I'm never going to be a hater of getting lost. You can only find yourself once you're lost, right? Right, so let's make sure we're still on track. So we're going to scooter down that way. So there's me like a roundabout here. Nice little bar there. There we go. The last stop karaoke, local pint, €2. Give you guys the prices there. I do food as well. So I'm going to cross over now. Swing ourselves around here. So I went round there, so if you want to check out what's down that way, there is going to be another video. Again, depending on the order, I can't say this one's out first or that one's out first. You're just going to have to watch and see. Got Calypso Hotel there, Teresa Calypso. Definitely in Hotel City. And then our bar, which apparently, so we're going to Uncle Ped's. Hey! Uncle Ped should have the cheapest, that I've been told, drinks. So this is all for you guys, so please appreciate the hard work I've got to do. Wandering around the streets of Benidorm looking for the cheapest pint, honestly. But someone has to do it, and I'm not afraid to do it. So what we got here, we've got weekly shows, Pilson's 170. It's another little bar here. What's this? The Explorers Club. Again, seeing a theme here, get a coffee with a, brandy, Bailey's, Tia Maria. €2.80, sorry. That's actually quite cheap. I think the last one I saw was about €3.50. So yeah, it's not bad. Got your bucket deals. Someone hitting a tree. Having a good holiday? Yeah, you look like Benidorm. So yeah, you can see the drink's definitely cheap. You look like he was having a great time. So I've got over there the Riviera Beach Hotel. Wow, that one looks absolutely ramo. Can't zoom in on this one, but hopefully you guys can see. Really, really busy. But we're going to Uncle Ped's. British pub. And again, it looks very busy. Always a good sign. I know most people when they come away, you want to see that a place is heaving, and this place does look like it's heaving. Right, let's see if they do a pint of beer. Let's go in. So yeah, quite a big space. There we go, got some prices there. So let's find out. Oh yeah, what's your cheapest pint?
The pint?
Yeah, what's the cheapest? 250. Okay, thank you. Cheers, guys. So there we go. So the cheapest pint was €2.50, so it has gone up from the last time. But still, is that a bad price? Oh, can I kill a pigeon? What are you thinking? Got Patty Bros Take and Go there as well. So yeah, €2.50. Got the British House here, shot for €1. There we go. I don't think that's too bad, but where we are, we get 2 pints for €3.50. So I kind of think that's a little bit better. All right, so let's go back to the other half of Wagwan Tours. And go back to my pint there. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Getting to see all the delights of the Benidorm back streets. We have done the main strip as well. We are going to do nighttime, and we're going to do Tapas Alley just to see what the prices are on that, if that's gone up. So you are fully informed for your holidays. Again, really does help the content if you do like, subscribe, everything else in between. Got the red corner there. A little bit quieter. Some of those back roads are really quiet, and then you go to others and they're like heaving, loads of people. So yeah, it's good to just walk around and see. Mr. Chef. Got all your shops and everything.
Turn right to stay on Calais.
We're going to head down this way. So I said we're heading back to Silver Street. So our little sort of place that we found that does good beers. It's in an okay location. You've got some sunshine, which never goes amiss. Clay Oven Indian restaurant. It's closed now. Obviously, it will be open later for dinner. Sort of like just gone past lunchtime at the moment. So anyone wondering, time of day. And we're still stuffed. We've got a really nice hotel where they do like a buffet breakfast, really nice breakfast. So we are absolutely stuffed from that. So we're saving ourselves now for dinner. But a lot of the hotels do that, which I think is nice because the breakfast that I've seen in most of like the pubs and the bars are quite pricey really for a breakfast, especially for what you can get at home. I'm always comparing it to what I can get at home because it's, yeah, ideally, depending on the location, it should be cheaper. So they've got Reflex there, Jokers. Again, it's a club, so tonight I'm guessing that'll be very different. It's obviously a little bit quieter now, not open. And then what's this? We got the Royalty Arrow. And they do live music. Massive hotel here.
You know when we stayed in
Perfect. Right. Well, I feel like we conquered, and I got the information. €2.50. That was meant to be the cheapest one. Let me know if you think that's extortionate or if they did all right. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.